Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car night vision camera in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car night vision camera to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Red Tiger 3-channel car camera. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. Working temperature, -20 - 70. Input or output, Type-C. View angle, 130 degrees to 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video code, H.265. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3 inches to 5 inches. GPS logger, external. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. Number 4 is Lingdu D600. Specifications. Brand name, Lingdu. Aperture, f1.8. Power source, corded electric. App compatibility, Lingdu app. Display, LCD. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, 5.0 MP comms. Pixels, 500 mega. GPS logger, internal. Interface, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year. As the item number 3 we've selected, Bantru N4. Specifications. Brand name, Bantru. Aperture, f1.8. Display, LCD. View angle, 160 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, 5.0 MP comms. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 2.45 inches. Interface, HDMI, micro SD, TF. Warranty, 18 months. Number 2 is Red Tiger F9. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. Model, F9. Aperture, f1.55. Working temperature, -20 - 70. App compatibility, iOS, Android. View angle, 130 degrees to 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3-5. GPS logger, external. Interface, USB 2.0, Type-C. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Dashcam Z60. Specifications. Brand name, Pi. Aperture, f1.8. Touchscreen, no. Screen ratio, 4:3. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 3. Pixels, 800 mega. Battery, none. Chipset manufacturer, SigmaStar. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year.